data sets we're going to be working with today are just over here on the left. So as you can see, it's just investor commitment, investor contacts, and investor data in general. So let's just start with this query. I've picked a couple of headers just from the database, just to get an example of the data you can see. So this is just investors. We've got here their name, what their type is, their AUM, where they're based, websites, allocations, their strategies, all that stuff. So that's useful information to have. But as we go through, you can see we can start layering it up, start adding more and more and more. So the first thing I want to do is just pair investor contacts. So what I've done here is I've just added a join command. So this is basically just said, I'd like to see from all these LPs that I just looked at, I'd like to see their contacts. Let's also now look at commitment data. So this kind of shows you where LPs are investing, where they're putting their money. This is really useful just to see that if you want to work with someone or you kind of want to reach out to someone, you can see what their past activity has been, where they've been putting their money. So kind of getting an idea of kind of where is capital flowing and where is money going. We can also see as well how much was committed. So to get an idea of ticket size as well, if you want to see what's being committed and where, this is a great tool to do so. So that commitment data is great, but we might want a bit more context. So now what I've done is I've joined that data set back to the investor data set. So we have commitment data, but now we've paired it with the fuller picture of that LP. And then we can do the flip side as well. So we can look at commitment via fund. So let's just take, for example, Inflection Private Equity Partners. And then we have this one as well. I've just added an OR just so there's some examples there. Vista Equity Partners. So you can kind of see where is capital flowing based on the LP and based on the fund manager. Another kind of filter you might want to do is you might want to look at people who have a certain allocation and a certain AUM. So again, this is like another little sample search you could do. I want to look at them based on their commitment, but also based on what their allocation is. It must be over $10 million and they targeted to at least 10%. It's just an example of where you can start to filter out and kind of construct the data in a more useful way for you.